morning, packing my suitcase.
This is the hand luggage. You want to show them your actual, how many suitcases we've got?
Laptop charger, fairy squish bag of liquids, customizable shoes if anyone wants me to draw on their shoes.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, going to London guys, 4:32
AM. Did you sleep?
Yeah, that's why it's pretty cool, isn't it?
What does it say on the inside?
What?
Cash out. You think you're a gambler?
Cash. About to board the plane. If it goes missing, this is the plan.
Bye, Sophia.
Bye.
She looks so happy. Would you rather lift 2 of the big ones or a big one and a small one in a bag?
2 of the big ones.
We have to walk to the train. Public transport. Yes. You're excited.
We had to go from the, what do you call it, understation?
No, Liverpool Street Station. It's an overground station.
Yeah.
It has an underground too, but
That, because we didn't have enough strength to carry all these bags because they're really heavy and we don't have enough hands and there's too many stairs and there's too many people pushing and it's just terrible, so we had to get a taxi instead. On our way to my agency and I currently look like this, just kind of hoping to get like the 3 AM vibes. We're into my agency to get my key for my apartment. And whenever I get my key for my apartment, then I can actually go and see what my apartment's like. So I just went and saw Georgia, who is like in charge of me from Models 1. She's like my agent type thing. She made sure that everything is okay for me and that everything is sorted. So what I needed to do was see her to see where I was getting the key or how I was getting into my apartment. Went up, she told me I have to go to the apartment, pick up the key and then come back. Go there, get changed, come back, do some Polaroids, and then the rest of the day is mine. But I'm super excited because the way my apartment is, apparently it's just like one big room, and there's four beds. But she says she doesn't think anyone is there at the moment, so I might have an apartment to myself. And if not, then I'm sharing a room with like 4 strangers. So I've got to my apartment. No one is here, but I'm pretty sure people are staying here because there is stuff, but just no one here. So I don't know. But I need to go to get my Polaroids done. So I got my hair straightened. I am like burnt a little bit, so I hope it doesn't really matter. And also I have this like pokey outy fringe bit that just like is not wanting to like do anything. For people that are going to ask like what way do you go for your Polaroids or what way like should you go for a casting, I have no makeup on. I've brushed, focus, my eyebrows up, just pretty like straight hair. It was just to take the fuzz out of it because I hadn't blow dried it. And then what I wear is just, let's see if I can get this better, black vest top and black jeans, and then I'll wear like little boots. So I don't know if like you can see. Hey video. So we were supposed to go back to my agency, but we aren't because it got like changed. So we're going tomorrow at half 12. But I'm absolutely starving. So we need to get something to eat because I didn't have breakfast or anything. And we're meeting up with my favourite person ever, OJ Lauren. Oh, I can't wait. I haven't seen her in like forever. We're in Camden at the minute and I have not like looked around or anything. I kind of looked on Google Maps to see like what there was about, but I don't know, like I haven't actually walked around. I'm going to go to the train station, well not the train station, what do you call it? Tube. tube station.
Yeah.
We'll go
Underground.
to the underground and where are we going to?
Oxford Street.
This is crazy. This looks like one of them like streets.
It
in
looks like you're in
Holiday.
like Turkey. That's what
Yeah.
Lauren said to me.
Back. I know the dying in Philippa. Tomorrow I have to get like one of these by myself.
A tube.
A tube, and I don't know how to work them or what one goes where, and there's all these mad like lines and everything. So Shannon's trying to teach me how to use it, so I'm trying to get us to Lauren, and it's really stressing me out, and I'm out of breath, and it's so warm. It's just, it's hard being from London. Isn't it?
The fact is, I know you're serious about that too.
I like it. I like it. I wear it.
Why is she shouting? Scar's here now, guys, don't worry.
This is Lauren, or OJ Lauren.
Serving looks on Oxford Street.
Yeah. Yo, what's your plug?
Follow me. Thank you.
Right, let me know if you have any questions in the meantime. I said, hey, I've been in and unpacked and everything. The house is food now. It's only one other girl there. Stop acting cool in front of the cameras.
I'm sorry.
Is this really all I'm videoing?
Just like a picture.
Witnessing a fashion icon.
My feet got sore. I can't do that wearing heels all the time. So, bought the new crepes. So I did. New season Nike Air Max Sophia's.
Wow.
I mean, don't diss the quality, Shannon.
Quality's good.
They're in the
Like,
bed.
what's the difference between these and an actual real pair? Except from they have an extra couple lines. Like, I'll do a faster show.
Put this bit in slow motion.
Oh my god, Lauren, why did you even say that?
Hey, so I'm just outside chilling and currently look like this. But I forgot to end the vlog, so I have to end it and say bye. I hope you guys like this. I'm kind of hoping to do more vlogs. If you guys like it, let me know so I know like what type of content you want to see and what other stuff you want to see. But yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Bye.